everyone, I'm Maddie Moore. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Easter themed puppy chow. First, we're going to start with our ingredients. We have a box of Rice Chex, a box of Lucky Charms, a package of powdered sugar, a jar of creamy peanut butter, a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and for the Easter touch, we have pastel M&Ms. For tools, you're going to need a microwave-safe bowl, 2 measuring cups, a cup and a half cup, a gallon Ziploc bag, a spoon, and a bowl to mix with. Our first step is to measure the cereal. For the cereal, you're going to need 9 cups, but since I'm using Lucky Charms, I'm going to do 6 cups of the rice and 3 cups of the Lucky Charms. And that is all the cereal all measured. Now it's time to melt together the peanut butter and the chocolate chips. For the peanut butter, I have a half a cup, and for the chocolate chips, I have a full cup. Now let's melt it. I'm going to start melting this in 30-second increments while stirring every time it's done. Now that it's all melted, I'm going to add it to the bowl of my cereal. Now I'm going to mix it around to make sure that the chocolate and peanut butter mixture is evenly distributed. I'm going to let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes to make sure that the chocolate and peanut butter is cooled before I put the powdered sugar on top. So I'm going to start with the 1 cup. I'm going to do about half and then mix and then half and then mix and then half again. This next part is totally optional, but I like to put a lid on my bowl and shake it around to make sure that it's fully distributed. Okay, so I still have a half cup of powdered sugar left, but now I'm going to add in my M&Ms. There isn't much measurement with this, so I'm just going to measure with my heart. Alright, here's what it looks like, but I'm going to do a few more passes with the spoon just to make sure that there weren't any hidden pieces left. Now it's time to store them. I'm going to be splitting this into 2 containers, 1 for me and 1 to share with family and friends. For the finishing touch, I'm going to add a few more M&Ms right on the top. Happy Easter and happy snacking!